Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C15 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find security. Scroll down and find unknown source installations. Let's get into it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are installed on your device. And in order to allow installations from the app, simply click on the switcher next to it. So for example, Facebook, if you really want to allow Facebook to install apps, simply click on allow. And from now on, you'll be able to download something from Facebook. And the same situation will be with other app, for example, Opera. Then let's choose it and allow. And from now on, you can download content from the Opera. To turn it off, simply click on the switcher again. And now it is disabled. So that's all. This is how you allow unknown sources in your REALME C15. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.